Hello dear friends, welcome back. In my last video, we have discussed 1 mark questions and MCQs from the Karnataka State Board SSLC Annual Examination 2024. We shall continue our discussion. For this video, I have selected questions from the 2 mark section. So we all know there are 8 questions in 2 mark section. Let us take one by one in this video. The first question from the 2 mark section, that is question number 17, is like this. Prove that 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. So I have to prove that 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. How we can prove? So we need to use contradiction method here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು contradiction method ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ assumption ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So let us assume that 3 plus root 2 is a rational number. What do you mean by rational number? So rational number means the numbers which are in the form of p by q. That means what we can say? We can say 3 plus root 2 is equal to p by q. So if it is a rational number, what is the condition? Q must be not equal to 0 and p and q are co-prime. Co-prime means their highest common factor is 1. ನಾನೇನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ HCF 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ the rational number in the simplest form. ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದನೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So now on simplification I can send this 3 to that side. So again ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ root 2 is equal to p by q minus 3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ನ ನಾನು 3 by 1 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ root 2 is equal to LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ q is the LCM, ನನಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 into p ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ q into 3, that we will get 3q. So we all know ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಇಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಕ್ಯೂನು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಾಷನಲ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೇನ್ ಬಂತು? ಇದು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 2 ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಡಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ root 2 is an irrational number. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ? ಅದು irrational number ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಡಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು? ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ರಾಂಗ್. ಅವರ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. therefore what we can say, 3 plus root 2 is irrational. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ 3 plus root 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? irrational number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the solution for the first question of 2 mark section. Let us take the next one. Solve the pair of linear equation in elimination method. So ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Let us take that. So what is the given equation? 2x plus y is equal to 8, 3x minus y is equal to 7. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? y ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಉಳಿಯಿತು? 2x plus 3x 5x, 8 plus 7 15. So x is equal to 15 by 5. So that is equal to 3. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ x ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ x is equal to 3 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ಯಾವುದು? ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಪುಟ್ x is equal to 3 in equation 1. ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಾರ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ, either 1 for or 2. ಸೊ ನನಗೇನಾಯ್ತು? 2x plus y is equal to 8 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 2 into x ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 8. y is equal to 3 into 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ therefore what is the value of x? 3. What is the value of y? 2. So this is the solution for the second question. We'll take the next question, a very simple one, elimination method. Find the sum of ಫಸ್ಟ್ 20 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್. ಈ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು, 5 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, 20 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, S20. ಸೊ S20 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಎನ್ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಇದೆ, ಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ S20? S20 is equal to n, or else we'll write Sn formula first, then we'll go for S20. n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ 20 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 20 by 2 into 2 into a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 20 minus 1 into d ಎಷ್ಟು 4. ಸೊ 20 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 into, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 1s 2 10s ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 19 into 4. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು, 10 into 2 plus 19 into 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 9s 36, 76 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 into 78. ಸೊ what is 10 into 78? So that is equal to 780 is the sum of S20 terms. That means first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression. We shall take the next question, fourth question from the 2 mark section. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? 2x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0 using quadratic formula. What is the value of a here? 2. What is the value of b? Minus 3. What is the value of c? Minus 1. So we all know what is the value for 2. What is the formula to find out x? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let us find out b square minus 4ac first. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೋ, minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into minus 1. So this is plus 9. Minus into minus will become plus into 8. So that is equal to 17. Now you substitute the same to the formula. Minus of minus 3 plus or minus, ಈ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು, 17 divided by 2 into 2. This is equal to plus 3 plus or minus root 17, 2 2s are 4. So we have two values for x. Therefore what is the one value of x? That is 3 plus root 17 by 4, or x is equal to 3 minus root 17 by 4. So these are the two answers, or two values of x for the given quadratic equation. So I am going to take the next one, question number 21. So we have a proving problem from the trigonometric identity. So let us take the LHS. What is LHS here? See, cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta whole divided by cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta. By seeing the numerator and denominator, we can take cos theta as a common factor. I will get 1 minus sin theta in the numerator, and in the denominator will get, if I take again cos theta as a common factor, I will get 1 plus sin theta. So cos theta get cancelled with cos theta. So now what I have to do, divide numerator and denominator by, so ನನಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, I need to get cosecant. ಸೊ cosecant ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, 1 by sin ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, sin theta. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬೈ sin theta. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾಗ, ಸೊ you will get 1 minus sin theta divided by sin theta whole divided by 1 plus sin theta divided by sin theta. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದು, that will become 1 by sin theta minus sin theta by sin theta. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1 by sin theta plus sin theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, that is cosecant theta. Sin theta by sin theta is 1. Similarly, cosecant theta plus 1, it is nothing but what, my RHS, and I got my RHS. Very simple one. So just divide by sin theta ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ ಇದೇನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು RHS ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ cosecant ಬೇಕಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಾನು sin theta ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. We have one similar problem in our exercise also. Next, so I am going to take one next problem that is very simple one. So they given sine 30. So I am going to take the LHS and I am substituting the value. Sine 30 we all know it is 1 by 2. Cos 60, what is cos 60? Cos 60 is also equal to 1 by 2. Cosecant 30, it is reciprocal of sine 30, that is 2 by 1. Cot 45 is 1. So this is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, half plus half is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, it is nothing but 1. So it is nothing but what? It is equal to sine 90 degree by the table. This is the solution for the choice question. So internal choice is given for the trigonometry question. So that's why we have two questions in the same number, question number 21. So now I am going to take the question number 22. We need to find out the distance between PQ. Here the coordinates of P and Q are not given. So first I need to find out what is the coordinate of PQ. Look at this. Coordinate of P is 1, 1 and coordinate of Q is 5, 4. What is this? 5, 4. So apply distance formula this. So what is the formula to find out distance? Distance D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square. So let us take this as x1, y1. Let us take the other point as x2, y2. Substitute it. So what we will get? 5 minus 4 whole square, 5 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. So this is equal to, so distance is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4 square plus 4 minus 1 is 3 square. So this is equal to 16 plus 9. So that is root 25. So what is the distance? Root 25 is 5 units is the required distance. Let us take the next question now. Find, see there is a internal choice is given for this again. So when you have second question for the same. So here the 2 points are given x1 y1 and x2 y2 and it is divided by another point in the ratio 3:1. Let us take this as m1:m2. So we need to find out the coordinates of the point. Let us take that point as p of x, y and we all know the formula to find out that is m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So let us substitute the value. So m1 is 3 into x2 is 8 plus m2 is 1, this is 4 divided by 3 plus 1. m1 is 3, y2 is 5 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1. So on simplification we will get 3 8s are 24 plus 4 divided by 4. Here we have 15 minus 3 divided by 4. So this is equal to 28 by 4 comma this is equal to 12 by 4. So 28 by 4 is 7 and this is 3 and this is the required point of coordinates P of x, y. Let us take the next one. The next one is from the probability. A basket contains 36 mangoes, 1/4 of them are rotten, means ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆ and others are good. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ good mangoes ಎಷ್ಟು? Good mangoes. So ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ 1/4 of is ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 1/4 of total. 1/4 of total ಎಷ್ಟು? So that is equal to 1/4 into 36. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9. So 9 mangoes are rotten. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ 36 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಸೊ 36, 6 3 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 27, 27 ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನೇನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ a good mango. So that is equal to number of good mangoes divided by total number of mangoes. So 9 3s are 9 4s are and that is equal to 3/4 is the required probability. The last one is about construction. So I have given, so yeah, I am not able to use the compass and protractor here, so I have already constructed, I inserted the figure here. So the angle should be 60 degrees, so I have 60. To get 60 here, I need to take the 120 in the center. So this is about the 2 mark question. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.